A new era in medicine arrives as programmable magnetic nanobots navigate the bloodstream to target damaged tissue with unprecedented precision. Researchers demonstrate they can steer these tiny machines to release cargo only at the injury site, minimizing collateral damage. Dr. Maya Chen, a nanomedicine expert, notes the method could slash recovery times and enable personalized therapies at scale. The innovation journey blends materials science, biocompatible coatings, and advanced control algorithms, moving from lab prototypes to clinical trials. Looking ahead, experts envision crowded hospitals where magnetic nanobots assist repair, monitor healing, and adapt therapy in real time.